Do you want to know how to be always right in stock market? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader and trainer, welcomes you to this very special episode of how to be right always in stock market. Yes, it is very simple. I know some people who always say market will go up, go up, go up. And what happens if not today, tomorrow it has to go up, if not tomorrow, day after, if not day after, another day from there. And once it moves up, you will be right for sure. And other way around, I know some people for a long time, they're telling market will fall, market will fall, market will fall. And what happens? Every day market cannot go up. If not today, tomorrow, if not tomorrow, day after, one or the other day market will fall, and then the person says, see, I predicted market will fall and it has fallen. So the big learning here is you can be right, and all of them, whether you are a bull or a bear, will be right one or the other day. But the real bigger question is, are you making money overall in stock market? And guys, let me tell you, with true honesty, experience and expertise, no one in this world except two people, no one in this world can be right every time. And only two people can be right every time. One is God, another fellow is a liar. I am neither God nor I am a liar. And let me tell you, being right or wrong is just not important, and you cannot be right every time. So the big point here is, are you making money overall in market? And when you are right, how much more money are you making? And when you are wrong, how much less money you are making is all that is important. And let me tell you now, it is just not enough to be a bull or a bear, but are you able to make money in market? And let me tell you, people who are experienced in market, people who have seen at least two bear market, especially in 2008, if you have seen the big fall, at Nifty level we fell 60 to 65% from the top when Lehman Brothers crisis happened. And let me tell you, all those people who have never seen this 2008 crash, or especially during this COVID period in 2020 and 21, if people have just come to market in last 1.5 year, you have always not experienced or seen the previous big downfalls or bear market, you think market is fabulous and it is moving up. And in fact, these people have made very big money, especially if they are freshers, because of not picking the right stock, but because market was in a bull run, and any stock and every stock, in fact most of the stocks are moving up. Warren Buffett says it very beautifully, you will know only who is swimming naked when the wave goes off. But when the wave is on, everyone looks full, and when the water is there, you don't know who is swimming naked or not. And guys, I'm telling you this because today I tweeted in my Twitter channel, I am Rudramurthy, which I've given in the description below. My latest market views are all updated there, and I tweeted, inexperienced traders and investors, or especially those who are freshers or those who have not seen the fall in market, these people who have simply been buying, they would have made good money. But then lot of experienced investors and traders who have been calling market will fall, 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 they will also be right, if not today, tomorrow. But then before they become right, and you don't have that experience and you have not seen the market fall, profit booking is very important, risk management, position sizing is very important, and learning how to pick the right stock, learning the right profitable trading system, and also knowing very clearly how one can make money overall in stock market is very, very important. With all these inputs and special learning, I am doing it coming Sunday, 26th of September 2021, a free live online program this Sunday, that is on 26th, between 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. And this very special program will teach you how to become a profitable trader and how to achieve financial freedom at the earliest. And this is stock trading for financial freedom. And in fact, this program is worth over 4,999, but I'm giving it absolutely free for only first 1,000 registration people. And you can register right now in the link given below in the description, and you have to must forward this video to as many people as possible so that you join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. Also log into the program using the link given after you submit the response. You get the link, copy that, keep a reminder and log into the program at least 1 hour early. That is at 10 a.m. itself login, because we are giving it only for first 1,000 registration and those who log in early. And I want to see you in this program, Stock Trading for Financial Freedom, online, absolutely free. And register right now going to the description below and forward this video to as many people as possible and join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy. See you all this Sunday in the program. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.